Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making the topic yours. Craft a one-sentence thesis that answers the prompt directly, then sketch 3 unique angles you can explore. Once done, collect 4 varied sources, academic papers, primary texts, reputable articles, so you can compare viewpoints. Make sure to note exact quotes and page numbers for later. This immediate framing ensures your voice and analysis set the direction, not generic filler or surface summaries. Now transform notes into a 300-400-word raw draft emphasizing analysis over summary. Explain why evidence matters rather than paraphrasing it. Once drafted, insert concrete examples or stats for each claim so your reasoning is anchored. Make sure to vary sentence length and choose active verbs. This creates rhythm and a human cadence. As you write, highlight any phrasing that feels copied and replace it with your explanation. Finish by revising in 2 passes. First, fix structure and flow, then focus on precise wording and transitions. Once done, add proper citations and a short authorial reflection paragraph explaining your approach and limitations. This reinforces authenticity. If you encounter similarity concerns, read passages aloud or get brief peer feedback to spot copied phrasing and rework it. A key troubleshooting tip: when stuck, paraphrase by explaining the point to someone else, and then write that explanation in your own words.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.